What is up, YouTube? It is Man Tweet, and
I fucked up my own intro.
what is up, YouTube? It is Man Tweet and Konnichiwa, and welcome to a brand new drawing video. Now today, guys, we have a Did I Improve series, and today we're going to be drawing. I'm just gonna let you put that picture up there. Yeah. When I was drawing this character, I had to ask myself, did I want to do a completely different style, or did I really just want to redraw it? Your results will really surprise you, and I gotta say, this is one of the most all-out drawings I have ever done on this channel. And I gotta say, y'all gonna really like the way this looks. I really don't have much to say left, so I'm just gonna let you enjoy the process and stick with me to the very end, and we're gonna discuss it as a whole. So, enjoy, I guess.
Coming through the noise.
Okay guys, that is going to be it. My goodness, I gotta say, this looks pretty damn good. I love the way that I did the water, because I had to reference from ADC Artifact's Joker video when he colored the water. I had to reference that. I had to see how he did it just so I can somewhat replicate it and make it my own. Oh, the gray smoke in the back, it's just a little cartoon smoke. You know, I didn't want it to be too serious. Overall, the background is like a little night sky. I love the way it came out. I really, really like it. And of course, Velma herself looks absolutely thick with 2 C's. Hashtag thick. But guys, that is going to be it. Before I sign off, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're ready for more content, make sure you strike that like button. If this is your first time watching my video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every single weekend. But guys, that is going to be it. And as I always say, peace and sayonara. Velma is thick, bruh.